everybody, welcome back to another episode of adjusting the camera because it's too holy crap, I had to take a lot of games out for that. Okay, we are gonna continue. Sorry about the late episodes from... Hold on, sorry. Sorry about the late episodes last week. It's because now it's too low. It's because, you know, I've just been busy stuff. It seems crooked. It always seems crooked. Stupid crookedness. The camera. That's okay. Maybe zoom it in a little more so you can see the outline of my bedroom. Okay. So, we're just gonna continue on now. It was my birthday on... I forget, honestly. Which is kind of sad. My birthday was on... Saturday, and I had no school today, so yeah, that's good. But we're just gonna continue on the ballot spell.
Ratchet, you are currently in the sound power station. You must locate 4 power orbs. Have the orbs to power up the station.
There we go. Okay, so.
Nice work, boss.
So, I forgot what I was going to say. Well, tartar sauce. We are just going to continue on. We are on the ballot spell. So what, I have a feeling, we might beat this game by the end of the week, because we're over halfway done with it, so.
There are the 2 security orbs. Hack them, and you will have the North Power Station up and running.
Alright, let's work on the dual Vipers. The hell? Okay, I was like, okay. Are they both up? Are they both up? They are. Oh. What do we do then? Oh, here we go. There's a finish line, guys. I just beat Transformers Rise of the Dark Spark. Sorry I couldn't record it for you guys. Something happened to War for Cybertron, so I just couldn't continue on, so yeah. But I did get Battlefield 4, so. But I didn't beat Battlefield 3, because I... Oh my god.
Okay, Grid Zone fans, now Team Darkstar will have to fight their way.
Alright, just get ammo.
The second reflector and reactivate the gamma energy beam.
Oh yeah, we have this, don't we? Might as well get this, because now we have all the weapons. We're just missing one weapon, that's it. Let's throw some of these out, because I believe it upgrades fast now. Let's move up a little. Never mind, who cares about that? The Hall Shield, that's what it does. That's what the one in Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal did. It's just... Yeah, I cannot see how it could be good, but I'm just not that kind of guy that hides behind shields. I'd rather have a shield around me while I'm running. Alright, let's just finish the ballot spell. I think this is the last part mission in the ballot spell, anyways. Or the last campaign mission, at least. Whew. Here we go. Ha! You suck. Whoop! Let's go.
It's so bright. It's like a light bulb, but so much brighter.
What is that? There's brighter things on the screen. What's this guy? He's good. Oh, fail. Flail, not fail. Whee! Alright, let's just hurry up and go do that. Boom, boom. Get on. Get on. Yeah, we'll just skip through all this because I don't want to go to that. I really want to just finish this up. Finish up the balance belt so we can move on to planet Torval, I believe, something like that. Torval. I think it's called Torval. Something like that. Okay, you guys turn it while I try to kill these things. Alright, I'll do it because you guys are freaking lazy as hell. Dun, 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 dun.
People, I am beside
Jump in.
myself, and boy do I look good. And so does Ratchet. We just might have a competitor.
Dallas, you freaking... Oh, PlayStation Pros. Alright, I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Here we go. Hopefully it doesn't freeze again. Oh. Level 4, baby. Oh, I just got text.
Well, I am beside myself, and boy do I look good. And so does Ratchet. We just might have a competitor.
Yay, campaign complete. We got the gravity boots. Okay, time extension. Time, oh gosh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, I can already know I'm gonna fail at this. Hell no. Okay, I think I got it under control. Oh, where is it? Okay. Come on. I don't know, I'm just making rhyme noises now. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, gosh. Woo! Oh, wait, no. Save the fireworks show for the end. Okay, got it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. 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 Alright, fireworks show. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Your land is my land. Your land is my land. My land is your... I bought this. You guys remember I bought it, right?
Node in sequence before progressing to the next node.
Darn, none of it. Ah! Darn! Darn! Can I just... Is there like the ship back there? Can I fly other places? No, I can't. That's all cool then. Your land is my land. Damn, that accuracy though. Whee! Cheatsy doodles. Ha!
One last node and we're cooking with gas.
We're cooking the gas? Ooh, I'm just kidding. Gosh, this episode is gonna be long. It's gonna be hard to render too. This will be my first 30-minute episode, I think. Here we go. Spin that node. Woo! We can move on to the next planet, which is Torval. Yeah, Torval. And it's Stygia Marxeris. After that is the Ghost Station. So we're almost done with the game, actually. As you can see, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe like we might finish this series in like at least 14, 13 episodes. I hope. Maybe not, but.
Subject 135. Choose one of the following items. A Courtney Gears musical lunchbox, a talking secret agent Clank bobblehead, or this super cool Ace Hardline action figure with Kung Fu grip.
Wow. Ouch! Hey, what's a big idea?
Subject 136. Choose one of...
Oh, Courtney Gears! Ouch! Hey!
Subject 137. Wouldn't you like to play with an Ace Hardline action figure? All the cool kids are doing it.
Yeah, whatever. That guy's a tool.
Yeah. So if Ace is, a tool, whose action figure would you rather have? Huh?
I don't know. Maybe that Lombax guy who smoked Reactor. He was like, who do you guys are rolling it up? How do you get off? Ow! Mom!
Subject 138.
Oh, that's loud! Oh, my voice is cracking. Oh, this is so little. Oh, racist. I'm so racist. I don't like being racist. Oh God, I hate this planet.
That's one ugly dude.
Ratchet, my nav shows a hover light overhead.
What?
But you will have to
All I
be
heard was
activated
this
before
one
you
over
can
here.
get access to it.
Oh, it's green. Let's go here. Uh-oh. Better hack them rays. Sorry, you're gonna have to wait. I'm recording. How many times do I have to send this? I'm recording! You get it? Ba-ding! Ba-ding! Shut the hell up. Okay. Boom, ba-ding, ding, 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 ding. I'm the king of the world. Woo! And I can fly, baby. Oh, there's zombies. Zombies. Oh no, I don't like zombies. There's Ace Hardlight too. Did he like conquer this freaking area? Shut up, Merc. Ah! These guys. Did he just throw an EMP at it? Yeah, those guys are definitely just those one guys off Ratchet and Clank Deadlocked. Robot zombies. Alright. Stripped. Stripped. Oh crap, yeah, sorry, I zoned out a bit.
Uh-oh, force fields. A group of flying drones power the shields by staying in perpetual motion and transferring back
Oh my
energy.
God.
Even though I just read that off a cue card and don't have any idea what it means, I do know
To be honest,
that
where's my
Team
head?
Star will have to destroy the...
Oh, never mind, I see it. Okay, do we have any new cheats? No, we don't.
Drone drones
We
to
suck.
disable the force fields. And
I
actually, I
suck.
read that part too. What are you gonna do? Sue me?
Yes.
Ratchet, shoot down the swarm of flying drones in order to
Where
deactivate
is the
force
swarm of
fields.
flying drones? They go through here, don't they? Yeah, they do. This takes a little while. This sounds like the thing off of the ship, the motorcycle off of the hovercraft off of Jack and Dexter. Eh. How do I launch missiles again? I won't know because I can't even freaking lock onto them. Ooh, that's usually always destroy them on straight parts. See? When you go straight, you always hit them. Go, 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 go. Rock! Okay, they're going super freaking slow. I don't know how I can't catch them. Maybe I should pay attention to the road a little bit more too. Woo! Woo! I better hurry up and buy Ratchet and Clank Size Matters if we're almost done with this game. I don't have Ratchet and Clank Size Matters. Well, I have it, but it's like, you know, ruined, so I'm gonna order one off Amazon. I better hurry, because I'm being lazy and not doing it. Come on, go! Go! You stupid chicken. Okay. Come on, we're on the straight part. Destroy it. Really? Okay, there you destroy it. Okay. This is a straight part, so you better freaking destroy it on. Oh, wow, wow, okay. Kinda OP. Oh, how did they easily over that? Okay. Got you now. There we go. Hard to hit, baby. No. Okay, capture the nods. I mean the nodes. The nods? What the there's no more weapons to buy. We need to upgrade our wrench again, dude. Get all the way to the obsidian blade, I think. That's the last one, I think. Yeah, because it's like on fire, yeah. Scorpion Flame level 8, baby. Okay, we need to capture these freaking nodes. Let's freaking do this. Okay, destroy these things. I can't see them. Down is here. Down over. Never mind. Yeah, I knew I was gonna get hit by one. They're both dead. That's just great. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done using this. Freaking flail. Your fingers getting itchy. Your trigger fingers getting itchy. I don't care what's getting itchy. I don't care if your balls are getting itchy. All your hand is getting itchy. You're gonna help me. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I need to destroy that freaking sniper that's in here right now. Both of them. There's two snipers. Oh, good. Okay. 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 I get it. 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 Oh, man. My health goes up so slowly. I used to remember getting XP every, like, freaking 3 kills. Do I have gangsta guns on? I do. No cheats on. Ooh, white. That's a little generic though. We'll just put it back to off. Keep Ratchet Deadlocked the same reddish, brownish it is already. You know it's ugly, but still. Uh-oh. I'm out of ammo. Oh no, and I'm probably gonna die. They're shooting at each other. You're not gonna shield link him? That's just swell. Dickhead. Yeah, thank you, bye. Oh, we only have one more anyways. So let's head to it. Oh, we could have gotten on the motorcycle. Maybe we should buy some of these mods. Wow! I don't know, it looks like we're not gonna get that wrench upgrade. That took a lot of...
Select any Omega mod which is available for
let's
that
give
weapon,
this
and then press X to equip it. That Omega mod will now always work with that weapon until you change it or take it off.
Okay.
Use it wisely.
Actually, no. Let's
Fox
give
has
it
designed
this.
his weapons to gain experience as you use them, which allows them to be upgraded. Upgraded weapons not only do more damage, but can be modified.
This will be the electric. Where's the alpha mod? Okay, the Omega mod, not the alpha mod. No, no, gosh, this is hard to do. No, not this. This, no wait, this. We'll give it this one, the acid one. No, we'll give it the morphine one. And then this will give the acid one. Okay, this will give napalm too, because you know that works. Nope. Nope. Oh my god. Okay. Back. Back. This one will give this one the bouncer effect. So it's like the bouncer. This one will give it freeze, because why not? Okay. Okay. So this one should be like the bouncer now. Yeah, there we go. Bouncerific. Bounce. Alright. There we go. Woo! We got all of our mods in, baby. Alright, let's just head to the next one. Go! Okay. Whoa! Yeah! Will I get copyrighted for that? Alright. I think it's up here. Oh no, it's not. It's not in there. Woo! No, is it up there? Okay. Oh, wow. Alright, I get it now. I know what it is. I had to originally go up all this stuff and get off because these things will destroy me on that war circle. Oh, they all have a mod. Bouncer. Bouncy, bounce. Which one has the magnet mod? This one does. Oh, Arbiter level 3. So if I throw this, it'll like explode and then all that. Yeah. Hurry up. No, get off. Get off him! There we go. Oh, this is it. Last mission.
So that's where the ship was. Under the statue. Well, I just just lost 50 volts. Unfortunately for Ace's ego, Team Dark Star will have to blow up the statue to access the hangar underneath.
Ratchet, you will have to command your bots to set the explosives on the statue.
Yeah, that's awesome. Morphing! What are you morphing? Oh, you don't morph into anything? Oh, you suck. Okay, this thing turns into a pig. I think. Oh, it turns into anything. Right. You guys need to detonate and then destroy it. Alright. Now I don't want this thing going over there and shooting me. So I'll destroy it now. Put some more explosives on it. Don't stop. Haha, like this. Put some more on. Why not? Hey, don't shoot him. He's my friend. I'll turn you into a sheep. Turn you into a duck. Turn you into a sheep. I can reach it. I don't think I can reach it. Let's kill these guys. Got a secure bot. Woo! Then it blows up. We get in there. We get the heck out.
Defeated the Torval battle course and escaped from the planet's surface aboard a space shuttle hidden inside the Ace Hardlight Memorial. Only on Dread Zone, folks. You can't make this stuff up.
You can. Ooh, see ya, Torval, you suck! Suck. The Vindicator tournament.
Ratchet, you have
Turret Trouble. Here we go. And this is it, and then we'll end the episode with Planet Torval. Oh, this seems easy. Yeah, I say that, and it's probably freaking hard as hell. Can I get out of it? No, I can't. Why would I even ask that? Yeah, you think you could just... Oh, there's a bunch of enemies on the other side. I didn't even know. Round 3 out of 4 already. What? There you are. Looking behind the corner. You're cute. Alright. Sure. Oh, one of these things. Great. The freaking weird little cockroach thingies. Ah, there's a lot of them, holy crap. But they're all smoked, they're all creamed, they're all juiced, they're all iced. Last wave. Oh, we've been on the last wave for a while now. So, a wave. I don't know what we're on, but a wave. There we go, challenge complete. Now we head to the Vindicator tournament, but we will do that in the next episode. So, I forgot what I was gonna say. So, I will see you guys in the next episode. We will take on the Eviscerator. I think that's what his name is. Yeah, the Eviscerator. And then we'll move on to Planet Stygia. And then that's how many episodes does that see? Probably about 1, 2. Maybe this will be a mix of 2 and 3. 2, 3, 4. About 6 episodes left of this series. Wow. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next episode.